Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So today we'll be showing you some simple ways to tie your hairs. So just make a ponytail and divide the hairs from the between. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Roll it carefully and fold it to make a bun. Put the bun pin to fix the hairs. Now put some designer clips too to make it look more beautiful and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, we have to take the hairs like this and then make the plaits on the top. By taking half section of the hairs, we will tie the hairs. Like, we will take it till the end as shown in the video. Fix it and then we will tie the rest of the hairs by taking it again from the sides. Fix it using the rubber bands. Now take the hairs and tie it over the plaited hairs like this. Comb it first and then tie it like this. Tie it using the rubber bands. Now we will fix the hairs by rotating it like this. Rotate the hairs and then we will divide the hairs like this from the between, and then we will join the hairs by making the plaits again like this. Tie all the hairs together as shown in the video. Fix it till the end. You can fold it upward and make a bun out of it, or you can leave it as it is. So here we are folding it upward to make a bun. Roll it carefully as shown in the video and fix it inside the hairs like this. Put the hairs over it and put the hairpin to clutch it properly, and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs like this from the sides. Take small sections of the hairs and make the plaits on it. Join the hairs from the sides as we are tying it. Fix the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Join the hairs by taking small sections like this. Take very small sections of the hairs. Tie them by taking it from the top. Take it till the back like this as shown in the video. Join them in between of the plaited hairs and tie the hairs till the end like this. At the end, we will tie it using the rubber bands. Fix it by tying all the hairs together at the end like this. So take the rubber bands and fix the hairs. After tying it, we will open the plaited hairs on the downside. Now take all the hairs and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Pull out it carefully like this. Now fold it upward, roll it and then fold it like this. Fix it using the hair bun pins on the top. Put some designer clips too, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will divide the hairs into two parts like this. Now take the hairs from the sides in these small sections and put them in the between like this. So join the hairs by this in the same manner and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Carefully tie the hairs till the end. Watch it as how we are tying the hairs. Fix it carefully. Fix it one by one as shown in the video. Join the hairs, make the plaits and then fold it if you want. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. So here we have just keep it as it is and it's ready. Thanks for watching.